All right, guys, we got the Rambler off the trailer and it was making a horrible noise. And I looked underneath and look, this upper control arm has come completely off. All right, we're parked up at SEMA. We're kind of right up front here, which is really cool. All right, guys, we're loaded up. I just picked Patrick up and we're gonna head across country to SEMA. And we're really excited, but we gotta make some good time because we gotta get there Saturday at 10 o'clock is our check-in time. If we don't make it by then we lose our spot. So we gotta get all the way across country in record time. So it is Wednesday right now. We're gonna drive all through the night, try to get to Memphis. If we can get to Memphis, we could stay. And then we're gonna go all the way to Albuquerque, then from Albuquerque to Las Vegas. So that's the goal. Hopefully everything's good on the way there, but we'll see you guys in Las Vegas. We are in almost to Amarillo, Texas, and it's really cool. Really, the scenery is awesome here. We got a few more hours to go till we get to Amarillo, and then we have to go from Amarillo all the way to Albuquerque tonight. So we haven't stopped, we haven't slept at all. We just went straight through the whole way, and we really need to stop driving and try to rest a little bit. But we wanted to stop, take some pictures, and kind of enjoy the scenery. All right, it's a new day. We are in Arizona and we are trying to get to Nevada tonight. So we have probably another 6 hours to get to Las Vegas. Well, we're making pretty good time. It's Friday. We got to be there tomorrow morning to drop the Rambler off. So we're just making headway, trying to get there as quick as possible. But it's a really cool drive. I'm really happy that we actually drove out here just because we get to see everything and it's really neat. But we're gonna try to get the Rambler there tomorrow morning, so I'll show you guys when we get there and all of the stuff behind the scenes of SEMA. All right, guys, we made it to Las Vegas. That was a long drive, 37 hours from where our shop is. So we made it here last night and we kind of got the Rambler ready to go. So we pulled the hood off and we put all the metal pieces underneath the hood just so we're ready to go when we load up. We have never been here before, so we want to make sure we're ready to go. I think there's about 2 days to get the car set up and everything, so we should have plenty of time, but we do have to drop off the trailer and get the car unloaded, and then we have to drop the trailer off at a friend's house. Actually, a fan reached out and let us park the trailer at his house, which was super awesome. So we're gonna go do all that stuff today. So let's try to see what the behind the scenes of SEMA is like and how we can actually get into the event. All right, guys, we made it in here. We are getting ready to unload the Rambler. There's a bunch of guys over here pulling in, bunch of cool cars. I can't wait to show you guys all this stuff, but pretty sweet. So we got the Rambler here. We're getting ready to unload it. and then we'll be checked in and we're ready to go park wherever we're gonna be parked at. All right guys, we got the Rambler off the trailer and it was making a horrible noise. And I looked underneath and look, this upper control arm has come completely off and it's rubbing really bad. The nut, just from bouncing up and down the trailer for across the country, just came out, and the control arm is not connected up on the top. So I gotta figure out how to get that back on there. I don't have the nut, but if I could at least get the bolt through it, it'll keep it in place until we park it. But man, this is a pain. So we're gonna try to ratchet strap it back and try to put it back in. All right, I got it all put back together. If you can see up there, there's no nut on it, but I've wrapped some wire around it, so hopefully it holds it in place. But all we need to do is just drive it in there and we should be good. Hopefully this works. All right, we're pulling in. Excited?
Yeah.
Hopefully this wire holds together. All right, we're parked up at SEMA. We're kind of right up front here, which is really cool. So the Rambler is right here, right in front of the awesome sign, which is super sick. So we're ready to go, and we're gonna be getting our badges and everything, but it's officially here, finally. Long drive. 37 hours, no sleep for 2 days.
Yeah.
We made it. All right, guys. Well, we cleaned the Rambler up with some sweet Patina stuff, and we have everything set up. The Rambler's pretty clean. Got our little sign up there, and it is only Saturday, so we're gonna be here all the way till the next Saturday. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. We'll show you guys along the way all the awesome cars here at SEMA, but we are really happy to have the Rambler right here, right up front in the main entrance. It's super cool. All right, so we are inside and we're trying to look for a speed hut to say hello. And this is the setup day, so everybody's setting everything up and trying to get ready for the big show. But it's pretty cool to see a little bit behind the scenes of all the work that goes into this show. It's pretty massive. It's tried hard to capture on camera, but it's absolutely huge. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for this episode. It's currently day 1, so we're gonna film a full episode throughout the week about all the SEMA experiences that we have. We'll show you guys inside of all the halls and stuff. Probably gonna make one big video about all that stuff, so that way you guys can see everything. So that's gonna do it for this episode. The Ramblers here, we're super excited. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you can stay up to date on all the episodes we have here on Rustomod. And make sure you check out the next episode where we go through all of SEMA. So we're looking forward to that video, but we'll see you guys in the next one.